Hello and welcome to today's class. So I'm going to show you guys how to create this effect using your Picsart. Okay, so now when we get to the app, this is what you're going to do. You're going to click on the plus icon. So when this comes up, all you have to do is just click on select more. Then your whole gallery comes up. So I'm just going to select the birthday image from my gallery. Then I'm going to go over to scroll by the right. Then I'm going to look for max. Okay, max. Alright, so now I'm going to click on max. When I get to max, this is what is going to come up for me. Then I'll scroll by the right again and look for ripple. I'm going to give it the ripple effect. So now these are like different effects, different ripple effect. I can decide to click maybe the first one, the second one, the third one, any one of them I want. You can just select any one of them of your choice. Okay, so let me quickly look for what I'm going to be working with. Alright, so I'm going to make use of this. I'm going to make use of this, and you see those lines on it. That's what you can use to adjust, the opacity. You can reduce the opacity, and this means to like change the shape of change the movement of the ripple effect actually. So this is just it. So let me just reduce the opacity. Okay, so when I'm done, I'm going to click on the mark sign above. So when that comes up, the next thing I am going to do is click on this download icon here. Then I'm already using the Picsart code, so mine is just going to download as PNG, okay, but yours won't. Also, the birthday flyer video is available in my advanced class. Alright, so I'll see you guys in my next class. Have a nice day. Bye.